Show. Magic tricks. Here comes Booba. I wonder what magic trick we'll see today.
Welcome, Booba, to my magic show. Today, I'll show you a brilliant trick. Are you ready? Watch closely. See this? It's just an ordinary glass. And this is an ordinary bottle of water. Yummy. Now watch. I pour a little water into the glass. And abra, cadabra, sim, salabim, bim. And watch. Look, the water isn't spilling.
That's real magic. How does she do that?
Do you want me to tell you a secret, Booba?
Yes, please.
Look, Booba, we take an empty glass, put a white sponge inside, then pour a little water, and nothing spills. Do you want to try to do the trick yourself? Go ahead, I'll sit there.
And now, it's Booba's turn to do the magic trick.
Oh. Wait, let me help you.
Slow down, Booba. Did you do it?
Hooray, Booba! You did it!
Wait, what's that sound?
Booba, what's in your glass? Let's take a look together.
Unbelievable!
It's ice! Booba, are you sure that was just water? High five, Booba!
What an amazing trick! DIY. Here comes Booba. I wonder what he's playing this time.
Booba! Booba! Hi! Booba! Booba, what's that in your hands? Booba, a rocket! I've got one too! Let's play together.
A real space race.
Booba, wouldn't it be awesome to build a big rocket and fly to space together? Booba, let's build our own rocket. Let's do it!
What a great idea. So fun.
Oh, Booba, this is a perfect spot. Let's build it right here. And look! Instructions! What can we find at home to make a rocket? You've got an idea?
The laundry basket?
That looks interesting. Come on, let's try it. Wait, Booba, hold on. There's not enough room for two. We need something taller.
What could it be?
I know. Booba, help me. Let's put it right here in the middle.
What a big box.
That's more like it.
I think that might work.
It's going to look like a real rocket. Booba, hi! What's missing? Oh, we need a roof.
Umbrellas. Great idea.
Booba, your umbrella's bigger. It'll fit perfectly.
Silly Booba.
Booba, that's brilliant! Look what I made!
Wow, the rocket is almost ready. Very well.
Something's still missing. Windows!
Great idea. Paper plates make perfect windows.
Oh, engines! We need them too!
What are those for? A pillow fight? How fun!
Booba, these are perfect engines! Our rocket is ready! So, are we ready to fly, Booba?
Looks like an actual rocket. Time to take off. Guess what? Here comes Booba.
Hi, Booba. What a pretty box you've got. Can I open it up?
What's in the box?
Oh, okay, well, can you give me a clue then?
Yes, can you give us a clue?
Wait, are you wearing a hat?
Is it a hat?
No. Can you give me another clue? Aha! You're moving like a DJ, so it must be a record.
Is it a record?
No? Then how about one final clue? Uh-huh. Let me think. Here you are. So, first I thought it was a hat. Then I thought it was a record. But now I think it's gotta be headphones. Am I right? Great, let's open the box. Shall we?
Is it headphones? It is headphones.
Hooray! I was right! Headphones! Let's dance!
What an awesome beat! A real disco. Bye-bye. See you next time. The Booba Show.